Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can save a lot of money on your Dubai trip instead of taking public taxi if you travel with the metro. Make sure you watch this video till the end. For traveling in the metro you should have a NOL card, and there are different types of NOL cards. I'll be providing all details in the description, and we have silver card will recharge here. Okay, once you got the card recharged, then you have to tap here to enter into the metro station. The minimum balance needed to be in your card is 7.5 AED. You have to choose your platform number as per your destination. Total 47 stations in Dubai Metro, which divided into 7 zones, and there are 2 lines, one red line and green line. There are 2 intersection stations where you can change your metro lines, red to green and green to red. If you missed the metro, don't worry, because metro comes in every 2 minutes. Dubai Metro is directly connected to Airport Terminal 1 and Terminal 3. You can directly board the metro from airport. All Dubai Metro trains are driverless. It is world's longest fully automatic driverless train system. Here comes our station. We had to get down here, and you have to check your station before getting down. Please check the below Dubai Metro timing. You have to tap your NOL card again here to exit the metro station. We have travelled in the same zone, so it's costed us only 3 dirham. Make sure you have your NOL card always with you, because for bus also you need NOL card to travel. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and share the video. I'll provide all the details in description regarding NOL card prices, types of NOL card, metro maps and all the required details. See you guys next time.